Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from the dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch dirt, the beard, icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart.
Razzle dazzle, are you ready to berazzle this black leather jacket? I got it in Turkey like a decade ago and it's still pretty dope. It's lambskin, but it's getting a little old and I want to turn it into a zebra theme pattern. Are you ready? Let's do it. Razzle dazzle, what's up? Are we ready to berazzle this jacket? Okay. So like I said, I got this in Turkey a decade ago. It's a pretty dope jacket, but like, it can be doper. Let me take it off, and we are going to use leather paint. Actually, I think I might start with it this way, so I can see it facing me. Okay, so we're gonna use this Angelus metallic leather paint. This one is silver. It's the one that I use for Berazzling, snow boots, leather boots, all kinds of stuff. I really like it. You can get it at Blick. Probably it's on Amazon or wherever too. I should take off my rings because I don't want to get them covered in paint. So we'll just put them over here. These are notebooks I've been berazzling lately. If you want a chance to win one for free, leave a comment on this video. Tell me your favorite Razzlekhan phrase, art, song, anything, and you'll have a chance to win. I need to put my gloves on. Okay. I have this new posture thing, and I'm trying to gargoyle less, and it's really helping. What is it called? Upright Go 2? But I really wish they had an app for my Apple Watch. Anyways, okay, so I just need to look at this zebra photo really fast. Okay, I know what to do. First, let's just shake the paint a little. This one is kind of a thin one, which is good, but okay, this will make a nice natural spine, I think. Okay. Hopefully I don't have to tie my hair back. We'll see. Hopefully I don't regret that later. Ah! Okay. So, spine. And, okay. Everyone asks me if I sketch stuff first. That's just not who I am. I have kind of this, like, recklessness at Basquiat. So you can do that with marker or whatever, pencil maybe, if it's easy enough for you, but I just like to go for it. Be bold with your decisions in life, you know?
Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from the dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch dirt, the beard, icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart.
I've had a lot of famous fashion designer friends over the years from Asia and the Middle East. All my friends have been in like Harper's Bazaar in their respective country or region, designed for a lot of celebs, stuff like that. But my favorite thing is going to fabric markets in different countries that I visit and negotiating for the fabric and like reverse engineering supply chains and procuring the fabric myself. And then also in Vietnam, I have my tailor and my atelier and sewers that I work with that can make me anything. I typically bring them my own fabric. They do have nice fabric too, especially like silk, but I have some really nice hand-dyed silky cot that I got in Uzbekistan. Actually, I have an unboxing video of that we can show. was supposed to be for a wedding dress actually, but that didn't happen. COVID, man. Maybe one of these days. I still have the fabric.
Energizing bad bitch. Dance like she got a twitch that ain't the Harlem Shake. Shimmy, shimmy, earthquake. Real bitch, nothing fake. Just baklava, fuck cake. Gotta go masturbate. Home alone kinda date. Turkish Martha skirt. Keep gun up in her skirt.
It's so funny. I feel like I live two different worlds. Well, I live in two different worlds or two different lives. Where one of them, which actually I live in most of the time, not even the Razzlekhan one these days, is the CEO one, where I build software and, you know, I have a tech company and we do real-time fraud detection and identity verification. Totally different. I love cybersecurity a lot. I geek out about that kind of stuff, especially like when I get to do things with the back end architecture or helping create algorithms, thinking about how we can improve them. That stuff is like really fun for me. But I like being Razzlekhan too, and I feel like I haven't had enough time for being Razzle lately, because we're trying to grow really fast. But I use Razzlekhan in my art as a way to keep me from just working all the time, because I feel like that would be really easy to do, especially with the pandemic, and I had burnout before. Okay, what are we gonna do now? We have that sideline. Okay. I'm doing a bad job of gargling. It's hard to not gargle when you're doing art though, you know? Oops. I gotta kind of like... Leather's a tricky one to work with, but I really like it. Painting on it's some of my favorite.
Garn poppy from the dirt. Rebellious young Turk. Con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come a lurk. Like beer. Icky ooch dirt. Beer. Icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart.
It's not exactly proportionate to the original image that I'll show you, but still pretty good. It's becoming its own entity with its own life. That's the thing with like Berazzling and art that I realized. There's no one right way. Like what you have in your head, if it doesn't work out, you can often create something just as good, if not better, if you go with the flow and embrace that instead of just like fighting it. And that's what I've learned with rap and all kinds of things too. I guess I should apply that more to business and other parts of my life where I feel like I like to make things harder for myself sometimes. Like, I like to win and succeed, but sometimes I think I'm too much of a perfectionist in business. But with like a security product, you really do have to think a lot about making sure all your edge cases are covered. Although, I have to say, a lot of very large companies have plenty of security holes. $billion ones. So, I don't know. There's a balance. But, I like to be on the safe side of caution with certain elements of
dirt. Beer Icky Ooch dirt. Smoked hashish with Snoop. Mix the best lentil soup. Whipping up tabbouleh like hella majnouni. Everyone wants a taste. Got too close, broke his face. She'll tell ya chokuzel and send you straight to hell. Village bitch, not snobby. Shamin, so flabby. Allergic, not snotty. Got that Middle Eastern body. Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch dirt, beer, icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha.
I like how I kind of worked with the pattern and now I'm a little bit ignoring it where there are these really defined sewn-in lines. That's what makes Berazzling clothes so interesting, because you can either like work with the canvas or not fight against it, but like clash intentionally make a statement. You gonna see that picture? One sec. Definitely that one goes. Okay. Trying to figure out what's what. So this is. We'll go to the edge for now. I'm thinking about leaving the arms empty and just doing the front for a contrast, but I don't know. We'll see. We can decide that later. Ah. That was not intentional. That was just the curve. Okay, this one's sanitary. Don't judge. I won't expose anyone to anyone. Plus, I got COVID tested recently. I'm all good. N95s be saving me. Okay. And then I guess I should just go like
Turkish Martha Stewart, Biriki huge dirt, jaywalking biatch, disappear, bon voyage, pirate, camouflage, got a fur collage, dead animals in garage, tricky like a mirage, keep a gay entourage, all about arbitrage, work relentless non-stop, play hard filthy on top, smoke poppy, not a cop, Asian clean with a mop, better shot than Cheney, always play the lady, she'll chop you like Chapo, gonna get that guap yo. Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt, been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt, rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk, like beer, icky ooch dirt, beer, icky.
So we're gonna do the other side of this leather jacket that I have berazzled like a zebra. And we're flipping it over to finish doing the front. Oops. Little flash. Okay. Should probably move my hair. And we're gonna keep using this Angelus silver metallic paint.
Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt, been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt, rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk, like beer, icky ooch dirt, beer, icky ooch dirt, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, Biriki huge dirt, synergizing bad bitch, dance like she got a twitch that ain't the Harlem Shake, shimmy shimmy earthquake, real bitch, nothing fake, just baklava, fuck cake, gotta go masturbate, home alone kinda date, Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt, been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt, rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk, like beer, icky ooch dirt, beer, icky ooch dirt, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, beer, icky huge dirt, smoke sheesh was
Razzle Dazzle, I hope you enjoyed me berazzling this dope leather jacket, which I like to call Zebra Skeleton. I had a lot of fun making it. It was definitely a bit of work, but it was really fun to do. So thank you for watching. Be sure to tune in for more Berazzling videos, including other leather jackets. I actually am planning to berazzle this brown leather jacket I got in Turkey a decade ago, or this crazy ostrich jacket that I got at a what is it called, estate sale. So it's kind of like a thrift flip deal. Has kind of a cowgirl theme to it. But we also have a bunch of other dope things at Berazzled, like this balaclava that you can watch the video to in the Berazzling playlist. So do stay tuned for that, other DIY art, fashion tutorials, and life hacks to help you live your best life ever. So don't forget to razzle dazzle.